Welcome dear friends. Welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with anticonvulsant or anti-epileptic drugs. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance. Learning outcome. After watching this video, student will be able to name a anticonvulsant drug according to IUPAC system, to understand the mechanism of action of anticonvulsant drug, to classify a anticonvulsant drug, and to recognize the anticonvulsant drug on the basis of structure, physical property, uses and official preparation. Let's start with introduction. Epilepsy is a central nervous system neurological disorder in which brain activity becomes abnormal, causing seizures or periods of unusual behavior, sensation, and sometimes loss of awareness. A disorder in which nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, causing seizures. It may be defined as paroxysmal, sudden, self-sustaining, and self-limiting cerebral dysarrhythmia. It was proposed that the seizures were caused by sudden, occasional, rapid, excessive local electrical nervous discharge which originated in the gray matter and spread to the part of CNS. Epilepsy may or may not be associated with body movement or hyperactivity or autonomic nervous system. Convulsive states have been observed in the systems where the concentration of gamma-aminobutyric acid, that is GABA, in the brain is below certain level, and the effect of GABA is blocked. It was shown that increases in GABA level in substantia nigra above its threshold protect from the seizure. In epileptic patient, it is observed that there is an accumulation of sodium ion within cerebral neuron. The condition which result in seizure includes hereditary factor observed in only few types of seizures, seizures due to high temperature, seizures as a result of acute illness like meningitis, and seizures as a result of toxic or metabolic disorders. Epileptic seizure may be divided into two groups: generalized seizure, that is tonic-clonic seizure, grand mal seizure, and absence seizure, that is also called petit mal seizure. Partial seizure, that is focal seizure, which again divided into with elementary symptomological like Jacksonian motor epilepsy and Jacksonian sensory epilepsy, and with complex symptomology. For example, psychomotor seizures. Anticonvulsant are also commonly known as anti-epileptic or anti-seizure drugs, are the diverse group of pharmacological agents used in the treatment of epileptic seizure. Anti-epileptic drug may be defined as the agent that prevent or diminish the severity of convulsive seizures. That means it reduces number and severity of epileptic seizures. The drug therapy is selected on the basis of seizure type and patient response. For example, drug of choice for tonic-clonic and psychomotor seizure are phenytoin and carbamazepine or sodium valproate. Drug of choice for absence seizure are ethosuximide and sodium valproate with clonazepam. And for myoclonic epilepsy, sodium valproate is a drug of choice. Now let's deal with classification. The uride structure is common to most of the classical anticonvulsant. Depending upon R3 group present, class of the compound can be decided. Class 1 to 6. This is the uride structure. It is most common in anticonvulsant drug. Only depending upon this R3 group, the classes of compounds are different. For example, class of compound, if the compound is barbiturate, then this R3 is substituted by NHC double bond O. For example, phenobarbital and mifebarbital. Then hadentoin R3 is replaced by NH. Example, phenytoin, metoin and ethotoin. Then succinimide, R3 is replaced by CH2. For example, ethosuximide, fensuximide. Then oxazolidine 2,4-dione, that means R3 is replaced by oxygen. For example, trimethadione, paramethadione. Next class, glutarimide, R3 is replaced by CH2, CH2. For example, amino glutathione. And sixth class is acyluride or acylureas. R3 is replaced by NH2. For example, phenoxyethamide. Among these 6 classes, first 5 classes have classic cyclic structure and class number 6 has acyclic structure. Next class, miscellaneous agent. This class does not contain typical urides as a structure. This again divided into benzodiazepine derivative. For example, diazepam, clonazepam, nitrazepam. Dibenzazepine derivative. For example, carbamazepine. Next class, hexahydropyrimidine 4,6-dione. For example, primidone. Next class, carboxylic acid derivative. For example, sodium valproate and sulfonamide. For example, acetazolamide. Now let's start with individual monograph. First drug is mifebarbital. It is also called methyl barbitone or mifebarbital. It differs from phenobarbital in having methyl group at one position. Physical property. It is white crystalline powder. It is odorless and has bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide and carbonates. Stability and storage condition. Store in well-closed container. Uses. It is used as a strong sedative, as an anticonvulsant for the treatment of tonic-clonic and absence seizure and for relief of anxiety, tension and apprehension. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in the form of tablet and the brand name is Mibavral and Prominal. Then next drug is phenytoin, that is also called dilantin. It is hydantoin derivative which is imidazolidine 2,4-dione. This is the structure of phenytoin. It contains imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Chemical name 5,5-diphenyl imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Physical property. It is white crystalline powder and is odorless. It is very slightly soluble in water but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Its sodium salt is white crystalline powder, odorless and soluble in water. It is slightly hygroscopic and absorbs carbon dioxide with the liberation of phenytoin. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Uses. It is used as an anti-epileptic to treat generalized tonic-clonic seizure and some partial seizures, to control status epilepticus, for the prophylactic management of certain forms of supraventricular cardiac arrhythmia and certain varieties of migraine. Again, it is used to treat myotonia and to treat trigeminal neuralgia. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in phenytoin capsule, phenytoin tablet, phenytoin injection, phenytoin and phenobarbital tablet. Brand names Iptoin and Garoin. Then next drug is methoin. It is also called mifenytoin. It is different from phenytoin in having ethyl group instead of phenyl group. Physical property. It occurs colorless luster plates and is odorless. It is very slightly soluble in water but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Stability and storage condition, it is stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is used to treat tonic-clonic grand mal seizure in some patients with psychomotor seizures and Jacksonian epilepsy, and in behavioral disorders. It is available in the form of tablet. Brand names Mesantoin. Then next drug is Mythotoin. It is differ from phenytoin in having hydrogen instead of other phenyl group, ethyl group at position 1. Physical property, it occurs as white crystalline powder. It is almost odorless and tasteless. It is practically insoluble in water and freely soluble in chloroform. Stability and storage condition, it should be stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is used to treat tonic-clonic seizure. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in the form of tablet and the brand names are Preganon. Thank you so much for watching this video.